Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can connect your smart TV to Wi-Fi using your mobile hotspot and watch any apps like YouTube, Netflix and many more. So before I start the video, you should know that many of you have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel. So at first you have to turn on your TV, then you have to use your remote and then click on home or any option which will let you go to the home screen and then go to settings. Now click here by using the select button on your remote and then search for the general option. See, it should be general or any other depending on your TV. It also may be Wi-Fi settings or something like that. Now you have to select on the general option. Then click on network and then click on network status so that you will know whether your TV is connected to the internet or not. You can close it on the TV. Now you have to take out your phone and go to the settings, or it may also be on the notification center, and then click on hotspot. You can see that the hotspot is now enabled and it should be portable hotspot, not Bluetooth hotspot. You don't need that. You need portable hotspot only. And make sure that it is turned on. Check your password and then go to your TV and click on your Open Network Settings option in the TV. After the Open Network Settings option is selected and opened, this type of screen will appear. You have to make sure that the wireless or mobile option is selected. It is now scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Your phone should now show up here. If it will not show up, wait for 1 to 3 minutes, and again if it will not show up, then there may be some problem in the Wi-Fi hotspot coming from your phone. You can also refresh it if your mobile hotspot is not showing up here. It may show up. And then you have to select your mobile hotspot network. In my case, my mobile hotspot name or SSID is Poco M3 Pro 5G, so I will select this. It is now asking for the password. You have to now enter it through your remote. If it will not connect, then you may have typed your password wrong here. So check your password and try it again. See, my TV is now successfully connected to the internet. I will now show you the proof by opening YouTube. It is now loading. See, YouTube is loaded up finally using the mobile hotspot. You don't need a broadband connection for it. It will work fine just in mobile hotspot. So, thanks for watching my video. If this video will help you, then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video